Good morning, my sixth standard students. So here I'm going to start the practice at 27, which is given in page number 55. Here some questions are there. I'm going to take one by one. So the first question, rewrite the following using a letter. Rewrite the following by using a letter. By using letter, any alphabet, you have to create this equation. See the first, the sum of a certain number and 3. The sum of a certain number and 3. At the place of certain number, you have to choose any letter like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, but letter should be in a small letter. So the sum of a certain number and 3. See the first one. Sum of certain number. Suppose I'm taking X. The sum of means X plus 3. The sum of certain number and 3. The sum of certain number and 3. It means X plus 3. Like this you have to create an equation. See the second. The difference obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. Difference obtained by subtracting 11. Any letter you have to choose and you have to subtract 11 from that. Suppose I am taking A, small a, minus 11. Like this you have to create an equation. See the third one, the product of 15 and another number. Product of 15 and another number. Product means after multiplication what we get as an answer, that's called product. So product of 15 and another number. It means product of 15, suppose I am taking small z, multiplied, product means multiplication, and 15, product of 15 and another number. Z multiplied by 15 is equal to 15z. Why 15z? Because both are in multiplication and the product of both is this 15z. Are you getting me? Yep. See fourth one. 4 times a number is 24. 4 times a number is 24. 4 times means multiplication. 4 times a number is 24. Any alphabet, suppose I am taking small y. 4 times multiplied by 4. 4 times means multiplied by 4. 4 times a number is 24 means y multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. 4 times of number is 24. Am I right? Like this you have to prepare an equation. See the second question. Find out which operation must be done on the both sides of this equation in order to solve them. Some equations are there. You have to find out which operation must be done. We have to do on the both sides to get the equal equation or to balance the equation. See the first I'm showing you over here. Question number 2, solution first. X plus 9 is equal to 11. This is an equation. This is left-handed side and this is right-handed side. That is RHS and this is LHS. Right-hand side, left-hand side. So which operation must be done on the both sides of this equation to solve them or to make them equal? See. Is equal to x plus 9. As I told you in our previous video, when the numbers are given with the positive negative sign, so what you have to take the same number with the opposite sign. So here plus 9 is given, we have to take minus 9 is equal to 11 minus 9. The number what we took over here, you have to take the same number at the right hand side. So x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 11 minus 9. This both number we took at both sides of this equation. Now plus 9 minus 9 gets cancelled. What is remaining? X is equal to 11 minus 9, 2. Therefore x equals to 2. X equals to 2. So this kind of operation we have to do on the both sides in order to solve them or in order to balance the equation. See the next is second one. X minus 4 is equal to 9. Therefore, x minus 4. This is given with the minus. You have to take the same number with the opposite sign. Plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 4. This plus 4, we have to take both sides. This is the left hand side and this is right hand side and we have to take the same number at the both side. Now minus plus 4 gets cancelled. X is equal to 9 plus 4, 12. Therefore x is equal to 12. Like this. See the third one. Third is what? 8x is equal to 24. 8x is equal to 24. Now tell me, x is given as in multiplication with 8. x 8 के साथ multiplied form में दिया हुआ है. So we have to take the opposite of this multiplication, means we have to take 8 with the division. Therefore 8x upon 8 is equal to 24 upon 8. We took 8 is in division here. So here at the right hand side we have to take 8 in division. Now 8 gets cancelled. X is equal to, can we divide 24 by 8? Yes. 8 ones are 8. 8 threes are 24. X is equal to 3. See the next one. X upon 6 is equal to 3. So 6 is given in division. I have to take the same number in multiplication. It means x upon 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 6 that you have to solve. Okay, see the third question. Given below are some equation and the values of the variables are this values, the solution to those equation. Here some equations are given and the values of the variables are given. Variables means what? Variables means what? If this is 3y, this is 3y. So when the numbers are given with the alphabets, so this number is known as coefficient, and this is known as variable. This is known as variables. This is coefficient and this is variable. So here some equations are there. Value of the variables are given. It means you have to put the particular value of these variables into this equation and you have to find out okay, this is the actual solution for this equation or not. For example, this first question is given y minus 3 is equal to 11. Where I am showing you first. Y minus 3 is equal to 11. In the next column, the value of the variable y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 means the value for this y is 3. The value for this y is 3. It means if y is equal to 3 is given, so at the place of y we have to take, therefore we have to take 3. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 11. 3 minus 3 0 is equal to 11. So 0 is equal to 11? No, it's not an equation. So you have to write no in the column of this solution. You have to write yes or no. When you have to write yes, when the given value of the variable, after putting equation you will get the equals value, it means your solution is right and you have to write yes over here. See the next, second one is what? 17 is equal to n plus 7 and the value for n is equal to 10. 17 is equal to n plus 7 and the value for the n is 10. It means in this equation you have to take the value of n 10. N is equal to 10 is given. Therefore 17 is equal to, at the place of n have to take this value 10. 10 plus 7. Now 17 is equal to 10 plus 7, 17. Can you see 17 is equal to 7? Yes, it means the value of the variable is right for this equation and you have to write yes in this column. Are you getting me? Okay, so try to solve the third and fourth one as well. So here we have completed question number 1, 2 and 3 from problem set 27 that you have to solve in your notebook. For this, thank you.